Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lentil soup for a diet. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of brown or green lentils, 6 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth, 1 diced onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. You'll also need 1/14, 5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, a bay leaf, and a pinch of dried thyme. These simple components form the foundation of a healthy, satisfying meal. To begin, rinse your lentils under cold water. In a large pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add the diced onion, carrots, and celery, cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes until softened. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. This aromatic base is crucial for a flavorful soup. Now pour in the 6 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth and the 5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Add the rinsed lentils, 1 bay leaf, and a half teaspoon of dried thyme. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the lentils are tender. Remember to stir occasionally. Once the lentils are cooked, remove the bay leaf. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and, if desired, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley. This hearty and nutritious lentil soup is perfect for a diet, offering a satisfying meal with about 250 calories per serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.